So here we have section 15.1, number 11. And what they're asking us to do for number 11 is to draw a graph that models the layout of the city shown in the map and use vertices to represent the land masses and edges to represent the bridges. So let's go ahead and start by putting a vertex on every land mass. We've got these islands here, so I'll put one here, and one here. But we also have to pay attention to the fact that we've got a shore at the north and a shore at the south. So that covers all of our land masses. The vertices are the land masses. And now we need edges to represent the bridges. So here we've got a bridge that goes from this landmass to the north. We've got a bridge that goes from this landmass to the north. And we've got a bridge that goes from this landmass to the north. We have a bridge going from here to here. We have a bridge going from here to here. We have a bridge going from this landmass to the south. We have a bridge going from this landmass to the south. And we have a bridge going from this landmass to the south. And so all we did was put dots, vertices, on each of the land masses. So the three islands in the middle, the north and the south shore. And then wherever there was a bridge, we connected the two. So one thing you'll notice, we didn't follow along exactly. There was no reason to follow along exactly. The edge just says that there's a bridge between this island and the north shore. This edge just said there's a bridge between this island and this island. So now if you wanted to, you could draw that off to the side. Make sure you get the right number of vertices. So in this case we had 5 vertices, and if it helps you can label them. You know, A, B, C, D, and E. We'll go ahead and do that. And E, and now draw in the edges. There was an edge between D and A, so I just drew that one. There's an edge between D and E. There's an edge between D and C. There's an edge between A and E. There's an edge between A and B that we don't have yet. There's an edge between B and E that we don't have yet. There's an edge between B and C that we don't have yet. And there's an edge between E and C. And so when they ask you to draw a graph that models the layout of the city shown in the map, using vertices to represent the land masses and edges to represent the bridges, that's all you're doing. You're putting a vertex on each of the land masses and drawing an edge wherever there's a bridge between them. So your final graph should look something like this.